Hello guys, in this presentation I will show you how to run the iverilog Icarus simulations under SystemVerilogStudio. Before starting the actual work, you need to make sure that you got the Icarus Verilog installed and GTKWave tool as well to just display the results. The installation instructions can be found in this link, which I will add to the video description. So if you have all these tools installed, what you need to do, let's get started. Basically, you need to open your IntelliJ IDE version, make sure that SystemVerilogStudio plugin is installed, and let's create a project. So first, you need to select SystemVerilog project. Next, give a name to the project. Example run, for example. Um, okay, so this is your empty project, and before starting adding any files, let's add the configurations. So in here, you can select Add Configuration, and from the drop-down menu, select System Verilog Studio and add Icarus Verilog. So in here, basically, it gives you some configuration that you need to set up. First one is the command line. You can let it empty because the System Verilog Studio can generate that one. The top level module is if you have multiple top levels, you may select which one should be used for in Icarus, but at this point it's fine. Next is the simulator part. This has to be pointed to the Icarus Icarus binary. So to do that, basically I have already installed in my Mac. So I um, so you can see it's here. There is no problem. So basically we just need to copy the path and paste here. And basically that's all, and you just say okay. Oh, maybe we can also give a name. Okay, then let's create a first file, and we select basically module. I will use the example from here. So here we have a counter. I'll just copy this one, come to my SystemVerilogStudio, and I will create new module counter dot without dot. Okay, so this compiles the counter. It shows that, okay, no errors, no warnings. So tool is happy. So if you just have something wrong in here, it will flag you here. So the syntax of the code is correct. And then this is the first, if you just run this one, it will run the tool, iverilog, and it will create the build directory for you in here, in where you have a run, which is the output of the iverilog, and then you have generated this include file or command file. So just to get more result, let's go in here and find test bench for this. So it's this one. So we copy this now back to the tool. I will make sure you are not in the build directory, create another module which calls test, and then I add the test module. So, okay, so it's here and we can click. Yeah, you can see that it's linked and the tool is happy with the Verilog code we have here. It's only the thing which we can do. That's fine. Now we just run this again. And as you can see, now we have these two modules are included in command file, so that will be compiled. Now we want to see the results, right? Now let's run the tool. Okay, so you can see that, okay, run happened, and basic command was this one, and then you've got some output coming from this monitor. And then VCD dump is there. Now let's again back to the configuration. Let's create new one from SystemVerilogStudio. Let's select this and give a name GTKWave and select the dump, which should be in this one. Okay, we just need to specify and run. Okay, so the tool is coming automatically. In here you can see your basically test, which has a C1 mode instantiation, and then in here we can basically double click and get the waveforms here. So something like this. Yeah, and yeah, then let's do a bit more. Like let's go here and just copy this and then instantiate another one like C2 module. But in this case, we will assign the value to value 2. Okay. Okay, it compiles. The tool is happy with the result. Now we back to the iverilog. We need to again select the build. We need to run the build, and then we need to run the simulation. Okay, it's there. Now we just open this tool itself again, and we can call file. Yeah, sorry, this one. And now you can see that we have two modules here instantiated, two instantiations, C1 and C2, and C2 is this one now. Yeah, that's all. So you can see how easy to kind of integrate with this configuration option, integrate iverilog and GTKWave to the SystemVerilog editor and SystemVerilogStudio and get your simulation done very easy. Thanks for watching.